Hey guys, welcome back to our adventure here on trying to get the roller coaster up and running. I haven't done much really since the last day. I know my colleague here, Kings, has been working on the shop for a bit, so we're
Yes, sir.
gonna go and sleep over this night and then check out the shop. Can't see jack shit, dude. Where the fuck is mine? I forgot where mine is. All right, there you
Your
go.
little
Oh
car's over
shit,
there.
be lost as fuck.
The
Dude,
little abandoned barn is just
just dude, there's
terrible.
dude, the driving
Sorry,
is
trying to.
insane, bro. Like
We're in
my
the
little
works
car,
of.
dude, my little car, it's just bouncing everywhere.
The reason why we're in the works of getting the shop put together.
For real. Damn, my driving is terrible right now. Can't see anything. I mean, I can, but dude, I see that over the night some work's been done over at the wood mill.
Mm-hmm. Kind of got a little busy building the house here with a nice little garage.
Holy shit, holy shit.
Took the trees that I cut down and made a house.
Wait, did you get rid of the trees or do you have them stored?
I built the house. What do you mean? I built us a log cabin with the trees I
Oh,
cut down and the garage.
understand. All right, now, all right,
Hold on, I gotta back up my truck a little bit more.
bro. Bro, this shit by hand is crazy.
Well, I mean, you kind of need to.
For real, for real.
You teach a man how to catch a fish, you know, or whatever. How,
Oh,
oh my God.
there you go.
Teach a man how to catch a fish, he'll live for a day.
Why does it look like we're
You
freaking
teach him
like?
how to fish, he'll live for a lifetime.
Is it just me or am I the only tall as fuck? Cause like the house just yeah, it looks like small as hell for when I was walking up there.
Ceiling's a little low. I kind of, I couldn't reach further up, so I had to hold this beam up by hand
Oh, and then you got
and
on
like
top of
nail
the
it together.
rail. You built you what you
Yeah, I got
built
the
it
rail and then
backwards.
I kind of,
You built it backwards. I get
I
that.
built it from the ground up, so.
Yeah, type shit.
Leave me alone, right? Don't ask where I
Alright.
got the bricks. You know, I kind of found
Um,
them in the down the river, so
I see that. I
they
was like,
kind
oh,
of,
where did all the stone go in the river?
eh, they're Colombian bricks, but all right.
Oh, is that where
I
we got
will
all
be
our
back.
founding?
No comment.
For real, for real. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out! You're gonna hit. Or, oh no, damn, never mind, dude. That's far as fuck from what I'm looking at.
Yes, sir.
Alright, well, I'm taking my little car, the retriever. You know, not a
Oh,
dog, but
hold on. There's a tree in the way.
oh god, call the ambulance. Hmm.
I got you. I got you.
Oh damn.
There we go.
But if this thing wasn't um 60 miles an hour, bro, I think it's hard. Oh, well, I ran over that stop sign.
And that's why we have so many accidents today.
Dude, for real.
Obey traffic laws, everybody. Oh my God. Trees are all
Oh,
coming down. Watch out. Oh,
hey,
all
we're
right.
nowhere near that right now, so
I have to close the road.
permanently. Oh, traffic lights. There we
Uh,
go.
Seems to
Now
be
trap
a
it
little,
all the way to
little
the
problem
truck.
here. Don't worry, I got it. Just gotta, should have the shop built by today.
I was offline. I was working on the tree over here. but
Mm-hmm.
I kind of left it on the way, so that's why we got it. You know, we closed the whole area.
We got permissions. Don't worry.
For
We,
for
we,
we
we,
own
we know
land.
people.
We
We
own
know
the
people.
land. No, I was gonna say we owned the land, but you know,
We know people.
for. Oh, can I? Oh, that's
Can't
bananas.
really own land when the native's been here longer than us.
True. Dude, I don't get how
Shout
this
out to all the
log.
natives.
Hey, for real. Dude, I can't lift this goddamn lug. Log. Lug? Logging?
Leg, legging,
Legging.
trapping it,
Leggings?
booking it,
No?
hauling. What?
Oh, I'm
There's a
about to
tree.
flip.
Do you have your safety vest on? Do you have a helmet?
It seems pretty good in here. I mean, we got what? I got the windows tinted.
It's gonna protect you from the sun, but not from the tree.
Can't see jack shit. I'll tell you what. Oh, actually, I don't think I have it on. It's not strapped. The seatbelt.
Oh my god.
We're not gonna worry about it. Oh, I left the truck. I got kicked out the truck.
Well, see, there you go. That's why you put your seatbelt on so you don't fall out of the vehicle.
Oh, for real, for real. I forgot which one. I got the ejectocito, cuz.
Yeah.
I got
And if you
it.
try to get out of the vehicle when the tree's falling on top of you, that's fine. But I mean, got a malfunction and you just launch into the tree and just
It's
end up in the
over.
hospital. The wraps.
Yeah,
Or since
superpowers.
you're working next to the train, you could get launched into the train. So watch out with that.
Either or.
And there goes the train. Speaking of the train,
Dude, imagine. Just takes me. Fucking R.I.P. Oh, brother.
I had that happen to me once.
Oh, trust, dude. I was
We don't
there.
talk about that though.
No, but don't. I am a sacrifice myself trying to save you.
You win some,
Oh.
you lose some.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to lose, so and that is why you almost died.
And that's how I'm still here.
Oh,
Don't play on
dude,
the
don't
tracks.
tell me this. I can't. Okay, wait. Am I gonna be able to pick this up? Hell no.
I don't
Dude.
know how you're supposed to pick those trees up.
I
You
don't
know,
think I'm not.
easily, I guess. Or you're
I don't.
supposed to.
I don't think I'm supposed
Are
to,
you
bro.
supposed to transport them?
I think I'm just supposed to drag every single one of them over there at this point.
No,
Cause
I
I
don't know.
mean,
Is the
dude, they're.
cable gonna be strong enough?
Oh, I'm flipping. Now we're good.
Is there a way to check the weight on the tree?
Oh yeah, dude. This tree is. Let's see. 26 tons. So how about that? And
26 tons.
my truck is
Jesus.
35 tons. So, you know.
Yeah. I think I
26
have to
tons. Do you
go.
have a truck that can carry 26 tons?
No, I do not.
Because I can't get it
I
on
have
the
to go
goddamn thing, dude.
sell my vehicle. Um,
Uh,
this little thing isn't capable of doing what I am trying to do with it. Um,
um,
a little too small. It's just a little too small for my liking.
right. See, we don't use any crazy mods either, or at least we don't try to. But 26 tons, bro.
Oh my God!
Mm,
There's an accident. Oh.
and that is what him dying sounds like. Oh, I don't know how to operate this.
Sideways. Um, am I almost there? Yeah, I guess I'll just walk the rest of the way.
Walk.
I'll go call the tow truck from there.
Hit and run? No.
It's more of like a hit and try to find help. You know, you ever like get into like a little fender bender and like you can't move your vehicle, or it's like running out of gas in the middle of the road. You know, you just kind of have to leave your car there and go find help.
Right. Oh, I need help. I'm sideways.
I'm trying to help myself here.
Something is not working here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, let me just set it down.
Oh,
Let me just set it down. A little lag at the mainframe. Seeing somebody's name over there. Alright. Why can I not lift this goddamn log? Dude, this thing is like ridiculous.
the tree?
Dude, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm tilting forward, bro. There's no way. I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm not allowed to cut the tree? Why? Isn't it my own tree?
Why not?
I didn't steal no goddamn tree. Come on. Oh, did I get it over? Please tell me I got it over. Oh, I think I did. Now, what do I do? I open the thing and let it drop. Hey, honestly, bro, it could be worse. Like,
What did you do? As soon as you say that, what did you do?
honestly, bro, it could be
Oh
worse. It
my
could be worse.
god.
I could have gotten ran over by the tree. No, no, don't flip, don't you? Ah, hell no. No, it actually
Oh
is
my
worse
god.
case scenario.
What
It's
did
worse
you
than I
do?
thought. Hold on, I'm working on it.
What did
Nah,
you do and how did you do it?
hey, the tree is it's not cooperating. I had to put it down.
Blame the tree.
I had to put the tree down. It was either the tree or me.
You would put the tree down?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
No, when you gotta put it down, like R.I.P. down.
Exactly. It's okay.
No, it, it was acting up.
Oh my god.
Hold on, I can't cut the tree. Why can I not cut the tree? Can I cut the tree now? No, I can't cut the tree. Okay. And the tree is flipping. Hmm.
Why the tree flipping?
I ask myself the same question. Come on. No, the tree is not. No, the tree is off the truck. Hmm. Dude, why is the money going down so quick?
Don't ask. Don't ask
Oh, what do you mean
questions.
don't ask?
Don't ask questions.
I'm asking questions.
Alright, if you really want to know,
Oh boy, that thing is going down quick, bro.
listen. It's gonna take care of itself, alright?
Is it really?
Huh?
Is it really?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
I really goddamn hope so. Cause holy, dude, that thing is going down quick.
I should have probably brought my trailer over here to take a forklift because I think we might need a forklift,
You think?
right?
Like I said, I seen some pallets over there.
Oh, you should have gotten the should have been able to bought the skid loader, the New Hollands.
Oh yeah. Alright. Alright, I got the tree. It's normal-ish. Huh.
Normal-ish. Mm.
I mean, those tree branches shouldn't be sticking out, but we'll make it to its destination.
Okay.
I hope. Oh boy, I thought it was really gonna get stuck there. Hey, it's still down? Are you kidding? What happened? You're lucky I gotta go this way. Yeah, dude, that's quite a few pallets there now. So that means we gotta start the other factories.
Mm-hmm.
Where? I have no idea yet.
Gotta close the road real quick. Don't mind me.
You already had it
I know, but now even more.
closed.
There we
You
go.
said it the right way.
Better. Yep.
Oh, we went a little too fast. It's fine. We're fine.
I gotta go grab that tree out of the road.
Yeah, no, that's the one I
I
was
can
talking about.
open it back. What?
It was on my way.
Oh, sorry. Trying to be economical here. Get it out of the road so traffic keep flowing. And it's over my. I'm surprised it missed the truck. It kind of hit the trailer, but it missed the truck, which I'm glad. That saved me a good amount of money there.
See, I would cut these. I want to cut the branches down, but I feel like then I'm gonna have a whole little bunch of branches just laying there.
Yeah, with those branches are pretty thick, so you got to pick them up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I mean, I guess I have to do it.
Oh, I thought you can pick up the cones. You can't pick up the cones.
Working, working, working. Oh boy. I almost got squashed by the goddamn tree.
Not the tree.
I could have died, bro.
Uh. Oh, you're down. See if I can do that. Doo-dee-doo, doo-doo-dee-doo. Oh,
If you guys got any faster way to cutting the tree down, please let me know down in the comments. Cause goddamn.
you could light it on fire.
I would, but we
I've
need the
always wanted to
tree.
see that happen.
We need the tree though.
Oh wait, I can't. Never mind. Can I?
Question mark.
No, I can't.
Trying to find out.
I tried,
Wait.
but unfortunately I can't. I do not have the right equipment. Unfortunately.
We need the trees in here. We could try to put it on fire.
Yeah.
What is going on here? I'm surprised I'm able to lift this part. Oh, I mean, it's not as thick as the other one was. There you go. Dragging it down.
Oh, you don't want to do
I
that.
wonder how heavy this one is. Ah, no, mamas. This one is 12
Lift.
tons.
It's pretty heavy if you ask me.
Oh yeah, but I mean this Volvo should be able to handle it
It's
pretty
heavier than this one guy I know.
well. Oh, is it?
So I've been told. And I get the right angle.
Right?
Mm. It's a little close. Oh wait, I can curl it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Curl it
No.
in.
Come on.
There we go. I'll bring it down. Gotta back this one up. Here.
Ah, got his ass. Oh, wait.
Hmm. Nope. Gotta keep going forward a bit. Ah, I'm gonna have to readjust. There's a tree log in the way. Back up this thing
Oh
right
boy.
there.
I don't know how I was able to get that in there, but I was.
What am I stuck on? There we go.
I'm not able to turn that way now.
There we go.
Dude, this thing is crazy.
Wrong way.
Oh, I can't push it anymore back because of this tree thing right here. But I'm not allowed to cut it. What the fudge?
Oh,
Alright, I guess it's gonna stay like that for now. Am I allowed to cut it here? Oh, I am. That's weird. Can't get the right thing. There we go. What? No way, this little thing is heavy. That's crazy to me.
there we go. Now I can open the road up.
Okay, everything's strapped in there. What? Damn, ain't no way I tossed that.
That's cool.
What did you do now?
Even the bigger truck fits in the garage.
Oh, that's dope.
Mm-hmm. Very. Shout out to whoever made this garage. Me.
For
I wanted to toot my own horn, right? But I built the garage. There you go.
Theoretically.
I built it. I didn't make it. I built it.
Right.
Did you know, allegedly, back in the day, Sears, whoever remembers Sears,
Mm-hmm.
they used to sell houses, I guess, in the form of a buildable home.
Oh,
You
I
would look
think I
at
know.
you would
Okay.
look at a catalog, and I guess you would choose the house you want with the things you wanted in it.
Uh-huh.
and they will ship everything to you that you would need, and you would build your house. They'd send you the nails, the braces, everything you need, the light fixtures, everything. And I
Uh-huh.
guess they would send you that. Hmm
That's
Back in the day.
no,
I
no.
guess the house is actually stood up to like, actual specs. It's
Oh
pretty
shit.
cool.
No, I think I did hear some shit about that. I saw a video or something. I just.
Am I stuck? Evan,
Oh my god, I'm over here.
why?
This goddamn piece of tree, dude.
What am I stuck
Got his
on?
ass.
Oh, I'm stuck on that. I didn't even notice. Oops. Oh, oh. Oh man, I'm stuck.
Oh no, I let it go. They went flying. Why is this one too heavy?
You sent what to where?
I'm like, why is this one too heavy? I said, oh no, man, just. Well, I guess it's gonna stay like that for now. Fuck.
Doobie doobie dooba. Stuck on a light pole. Can I cut a light pole?
Can you? Hmm.
Dear nearest power supplier. Seems to have been a problem with your light pole there.
Oh. What'd it do? Damn!
Hello.
I know that's why
Don't
I'm
mind
only
me.
doing this one, because I know you over there doing cutting trees and stuff. I'm not gonna be able to turn. Oh, don't mind me.
Start with the train. Did you just lose all your logs?
No.
I don't know. From my distance, it seemed like you lost your logs.
The rendering distance.
Uh-huh. That
Imagine.
was funny.
I get finessed.
You get over there and you have no logs on you.
Mm-hmm. I get
The game
rocked.
says nope.
Did I just fill it up already? No. It's 38. Why
No.
is it not taking the small ones?
You gotta get closer. That happened to me last time.
Oh, yeah. I'm in the water, basically. And I took some. Come on. Dude, they're literally floating. What the hell? Oh, that's dope. You can see the logs going up. I didn't even realize that.
Mm-hmm. Cuts them up. Oh, she's falling. Oh no, strap it up. There we go.
Jeez. Oh. Don't drive in the water too deep. Oh, my thing's gonna stall cut. Oh, no. Now we good. Alright, buddy. So we got in here the production going. What is this? There's a pallet of plank logs. And then over here we got wood beams. Oh! So then why is the rest of the things over here? Hmm. They got 10 pallets of plank logs. Or no, it's just planks.
Oh my god.
38 of wood over here. Do you have the shed ready for the trucks?
Nope. I'm
You need
working
help?
on it.
That's something you need help cutting those trees down.
I need help picking them up, running the
Or
stumps and
I
everything.
could
And this
be,
thing is stuck on me. I don't know how this thing's stuck on me right now.
I could go check what the roller
Let
coaster needs,
go. There we go.
so
Yeah,
we
you can
can
do
start
that.
taking them over there right now.
You can take my truck if you want.
Well, I was gonna
That way
take
you don't have to
the low boy.
drive your little thing over there.
I was gonna
I
take the
guess if you're
I
gonna
was
pick
gonna
something up, yeah.
yeah, I was gonna take the low boy so I can get a forklift.
God damn it.
So I will put this back.
Oh, yeah, you could just take the. You don't have to take. Oh, you can take the smaller 20-foot trailer.